Hello everyone, back to today's second video, the weekend forecast for today's second video. As always on a Saturday, we're having a detailed look at the weather for the week ahead. So we've got high pressure still sitting to our north, it's still bringing in these easterly winds, but the air is originating from southern Europe. And so we've got warm easterly winds flowing up across the country, with high pressure keeping the north mainly dry, but the south exposed to low pressure across France, having the risk of thundery showers and thunderstorms, and that's what we'll have through this bank holiday weekend. Just say today's first video was the third and final seasonal model roundup. You can find that video here on the homepage. It's just above the pollen count, by way of redesign the pollen count and the weather alert section, so I think they look much smarter now. So the seasonal model roundup is suggesting the chance of a warmer summer. The long-range models have shifted a lot from update number 2, which was cool and unsettled, and now we have several of these long-range models going for what could be quite a warm and dry summer. They might be reacting to the weather pattern that we've gone into during April and May. Have to wait and see on that. But certainly big changes in terms of the long-range models. Have a look at that video, see what you think. It's ahead of tomorrow's summer forecast. GavsWeather.com will be releasing the summer forecast for you tomorrow morning at 10 AM. So you'll find out what we're thinking for the summer then. So, Galway Weekend Forecast is running very, very late today. The websites we're using for Weekend Forecast coming from theweatherout.com and westcentric.de. You can find link both of those websites on the links page. This is the latest radar picture from the Weather Outlook. We've got dry weather in the north, so Scotland, Northern Ireland, down to Northern England, it's mainly dry. Coming further south of that, we've had showery rain pushing through England and Wales this morning. The showers are now congregating around Wales and southwest England. They may well start to turn heavy and thundery through the course of this afternoon. Brighter skies have followed this band of showery rain from the east, so it's brightened up across much of the Midlands and southeastern England, but that could spark off some heavy thundery showers as well today. Here's today's hot pressure chart. High pressure is dominating to our north, with low pressure down across France and the Bay of Biscay. The air is being drawn up from southern Europe and then brought to the UK on those easterly winds. Now, should just explain that for northeastern parts of the country, which is eastern Scotland down to northeast England, although we're saying generally the north is getting the driest, brightest and warmest of the weather with this weather pattern, down those northeastern coasts, you've been suffering a lot of low cloud and mist and murk. I've been having a few people asking what's going on. So all that's happening is that, again, it's similar to what we had a few weeks ago. We've got these warm temperatures being brought up from southern Europe, and they're running over the cold North Sea. And when that happens, you pick up low clouds, you pick up mist, murk, possibly fog, and sometimes even the cloud could be thick enough for light rain and drizzle, and that's what's going on here. So although we are saying the north is mainly dry, sunny and warm, it's not that straightforward for those northeastern coasts, and whether this gets mentioned just depends how much time the forecaster has, how much time and space the forecaster has. So if you're in the northeast and you feel you've been a bit left out, sorry about that. It's just purely down to time constraints. I mean, I'm off on a tangent with this now. It is delaying the rest of the weekend forecast. So obviously, day by day, we haven't got time to keep mentioning the fact that these northeastern coasts are cloudier. So, but that's what's going on. The warm air is overlaying the cold North Sea, and so if you're on that eastern coast, you are suffering low cloud, gloom, mist and murk. But generally, the north is getting the best of the weather this bank holiday weekend due to this area of high pressure that we've got sitting to our north. So for the rest of today, we're going to find more thunderstorms breaking out in the southwest. So parts of Wales, southwest England could definitely get some thunderstorms through the course of this afternoon. We might find them across southern England, possibly into the South Midlands as well. East Anglia, southeastern England might spark off a few thundery showers this afternoon, but a fair amount of dry weather down there. Going further north, northern England, Northern Ireland, Scotland, decent amount of dry weather coming through, plenty of sunny spells, except where you're exposed to that easterly wind And if you are exposed to the east wind on the northeastern coast, I'm afraid you're going to have more gloomy, murky, misty weather coming up. Temperatures today ranging from around, say, 16 to 25 degrees. 25 is a very warm 77 Fahrenheit. Overnight tonight, this low pressure across France gets a little bit closer to us. So we'll have more thundery showers in the south and the southwest this evening. Overnight, they'll push northwards, but they'll lose their intensity. So I don't think it'll be too noisy a night, but nevertheless, there will be showery bursts of rain across particularly central southern parts of England and Wales. Going further north, we've got a mix of clear spells, but also some low cloud on those eastern coasts. Temperatures will be very warm in the southeast tonight, maybe no lower, but around 16 degrees in London, 61 Fahrenheit. Further north, it's a lot cooler and fresher overnight tonight, with temperatures for central Scotland going down to around 6 or 7 degrees. We get through to Sunday, and this low pressure is still to the southwest. The high pressure is still up to the northeast, so broadly the pattern remains the same. England and Wales will have cloud and showery bursts of rain right from the word go tomorrow, and we'll find those showers becoming very widespread, I think, through the course of the day. Heavy and thundery, and in fact through the afternoon there could be some really violent thunderstorms setting up across parts of particularly central, southern and western parts of the country. I think those storms will push more towards the west through the course of the day. So that leaves East Anglia and South East England probably having showers in the morning, but maybe turning drier and brighter through the course of the afternoon. The best of weather, again, except on those eastern coasts, is in the north. So for much of northern England, Northern Ireland and Scotland, it's going to be a mainly dry day with those sunny spells coming through away from those eastern coastal counties. Temperatures tomorrow could reach around 27 degrees in London. That's 81 Fahrenheit. Will feel very, very warm and humid. Does depend how much sunshine comes through. Generally, we see temperatures between around 18 and 25. 25 is 77 in Fahrenheit. That's how Bank Holiday Monday is looking, with high pressure still up to the northeast. The air still being brought in from its easterly direction, and the low pressure is still there across France. I think the showers will probably be a little bit more scattered on Bank Holiday Monday, but they'll still be in the south. There could still be some heavy showers or thunderstorms. These storms, both today, tomorrow and Monday, could be really quite intense indeed. So don't rule out chance of flash flooding, some quite significant lightning, maybe hail mixed in as well. These could be really violent thunderstorms, especially tomorrow, but also potentially for some southern counties on Bank Holiday Monday. Although I think they will be more scattered, certainly compared to tomorrow's showers and storms. From Wales and the Midlands northwards, there should be quite a lot of dry weather with sunny spells, except on those eastern coasts where it will be misty once again. Temperatures tomorrow are going to, on Bank Holiday Monday I should say, going up to around 28 degrees in central London. So that's around 83 and maybe even 84 Fahrenheit, so hot really in the south and the southeast. Most parts of the country into the low to mid-20s Celsius once again. That's Tuesday. The start of the working week sees the high pressure still there to our north, with low pressure still to the south. Showers could again form across central southern parts of England and Wales. They might be heavy and thundery once again, maybe some thunderstorms mixed in. From Wales and Midlands northwards, plenty of dry weather with sunny spells. Temperatures perhaps not quite as warm on Tuesday, but even so, still very significantly warmer than average at around 18 to 25 degrees. And then through the rest of the week, we find the shower risk beginning to ease down. The high pressure starts to push to the northwest of the country, so it's still blocking, but it's out to the northwest and then up to the north, and everything just looks very, very slack and quite bizarre looking charts, really. But I think the showers, there may still be some showers on Wednesday, but they should be a good deal lighter and more scattered, particularly again in the south and the southwest. That's where we could have the greatest shower risk. Most places having a dry day. You may find quite a lot of cloud across England and Wales on Wednesday. We may start to cloud this up a little bit. So a fair amount of cloud in the south, brighter skies in the north away from those eastern coasts. Temperatures ranging from around, say, 17 to 23 degrees, 23, 73 Fahrenheit. That's Thursday, and the final day of May is looking like that. Again, quite bizarre looking weather patterns, very difficult to interpret. Again, it looks like the shower risk is just easing down through the second half of the week, so there may still be some showers left in the southwest, but I think they will be a good deal lighter and more scattered. The bulk of the country has a dry day with a mix of sunny spells and variable cloud, temperatures ranging from around 17 to 23 degrees. High pressure is more or less in control of the weather on Friday. This is the first day of June, of course, so the first day of meteorological summer. We'll see high pressure in charge, sitting out to our north and northwest. So again, most places will be dry, probably more in way of sunshine coming through for Friday, although some of these southern and southeastern areas might have more cloud and showers. Overall, a lot of dry weather and sunny spells to end the week. Temperatures, again, probably ranging from around 17 to 23 or 24 degrees Celsius. And then next weekend, we keep high pressure in control. So this is how Saturday is looking, with high pressure almost sitting over the top of the country. It is slightly out to our west, but essentially high pressure is dominating on Saturday, and it's still there on Sunday. What is happening is that more cloud, possibly showery conditions, being pulled down around the edge of this high pressure, affecting eastern and maybe some southeastern parts of the country. So the best of the sunshine and the warmest of the temperatures will be in the northwest. Finally, just having a look at charts from Weather Outlook. Lots of dry weather coming today. We've got these heavy showers and possibly even thunderstorms breaking out in the southwest. We go through to Sunday, and again, lots of heavy showers, maybe thunderstorms across England and Wales. I think they'll be most widespread out of all of the 3 days of this weekend. I think the showers are most widespread on Sunday. Big downpours possible, hail, thunder and lightning mixed in with some of these storms. Further north, lots of dry weather. Again, this does show bags of sunshine around these eastern coasts. It's not picking up on the low cloud mist and murk that's being brought in on those easy winds from the cold North Sea around these eastern coastal counties. That's Bank Holiday Monday. Fewer showers on Bank Holiday Monday compared to tomorrow, but nevertheless there could still be showers and storms down in the south. Most central northern parts of the country dry and very warm indeed. That's suggesting 27 in central London. It might be even hotter than that. Showers, maybe some storms still left in the south on Tuesday. Central northern areas mainly dry. And then we go through to Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and we're looking like that. Temperatures are remaining on the warm side, with showers mostly in the east and also in the southeast by Friday. The driest of the weather is in the northwest. So in summary, it's going to be a very warm week coming up, particularly so this weekend, and there's going to be a risk of some quite severe thunderstorms in the south this weekend. The driest of the weather will always be in the north. From around midweek onwards, the storm risk eases down, although we might still have showers left in the south. I think we lose the intensity of the showers and storms, and essentially we're going to a dry but still very warm pattern right way through to the end of the week. Don't forget to check out the third and final Season 1 Roundup, which is here on the homepage right now. Later on today, that will be placed on the Summer Updates and Forecast page with a written summary. Tomorrow, we've got the Gazwovis Summer Forecast. We're going to have the Gazwovis Sunday Roundup, and we'll have a little sneak peek tomorrow afternoon for autumn 2018. And then on Bank Holiday Monday, your historic video is going to look at primarily the summer of 1959. But actually, it covers most of the year because it's a very, very extended summer indeed. So that'll be your Bank Holiday Monday historic vid. But that's all for now, and thanks for watching.